Let me show you how to color match images in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Select the background. To match the color to the target file, go to Image, Adjustments, and Match Color. Under the source, select the name of the document that we're working in. And select the source image layer below. I'll increase the luminance to 108, and the fade, 5. Then press OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and create a levels. I'll make the shadow input level 8, and the highlight input level 240. Go back to adjustment layer icon, and create a color lookup. From the drop-down, select the crisp warm. Then close Properties window. If you think it is too much, you can always go ahead and decrease the opacity. I think 13% looks good. And that's it. Thanks for watching.